In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own WordPress site using Hostinger. This process is straightforward and perfect for getting your website online quickly. We'll go through each step with clarity and precision to ensure you have a smooth experience. First, we'll begin by downloading the latest WordPress package directly from WordPress.org. This site is the official source for WordPress, ensuring you're getting the most recent version with all updates and security features included. Simply head over to the website, find the download button, and save the package to your computer. Next, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Once logged in, navigate to the H panel and locate the file manager. If you're familiar with using FTP, you can choose to connect via an FTP client instead. If not, the file manager within H panel is an easy-to-use tool that directly allows you to manage your files on the server. With access to your file management system, your next task is to upload the WordPress files. Locate the public HTML folder, as this is your web root where all the files for your site need to be housed. Upload the WordPress package here, and once the upload is complete, you will then need to extract the files so that they can be accessed correctly by the web server. This step unpacks all necessary WordPress components and gets them ready for installation. Now let's set up the database which WordPress will use to store all your website's content and settings. To do this, create a new MySQL database in the H panel. You'll need to create both a database and a user, and make sure the user has all of the necessary permissions to interact with the database. Take note of the database name, username, and password, as you'll need these details shortly. With everything uploaded and your database created, it's time to run the WordPress installation script. This is done by visiting your domain in a web browser where you'll be greeted with the WordPress setup screen. Here, you'll enter the database details that you previously noted, establishing the connection between your site and the database. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your site's title, set up an admin login, and choose your preferred language settings. Congratulations! You've now completed the setup. By following these easy steps, you have installed WordPress on your domain with Hostinger as your host. From here, you can start customizing your site with themes and plugins, tailoring it to fit your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy building your WordPress website.